welcome back to my channel, Golden Honey. And today I'm back again with another episode of how to make liquid fertilizer out of banana peels. Right here I have my huge container filled with water. It's a pitcher, which is about, let's see, how many quarts? It's 1 gallon, so it's 4 quarts of water. I had it sitting for about 3.5 days probably by now. So then I'm going to take it out, take out the banana peels. Woo. Smell like fermented bananas. Okay. You can use gloves, but I'm just going to go ahead and take out my fingers. Put on this plate right here. It's not really a horrible smell. It just looks gross. No lie. And you also can use these banana peels as compost. So if you want to go ahead and you can bury these underground, under your plants, you know, to fertilize your soil. A lot of bananas. Peels, that is. Okay, now I have all the banana peels out of the pitcher. This is how much I have left. Okay, it looks like this inside. Okay. It does have a small smell to it, you know, not really horrible smell, but it does smell like fermented bananas, like I said before. And now this is ready to use on your plants, but I know it's really good on tomatoes. Okay, I have my my tomato plants here. I have my Sweet 100, my Heat Tolerant Creole plant, and my Roma tomato plant here. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my liquid banana fertilizer. I'm going to go ahead and water for fertilize my tomato plants. I'm going to pour at the base of the root.
Potatoes.
Make sure you try to get them evenly. We'll go back to that first one. Alright, happy gardening!